Hello Year 11 and welcome to our fifth video here for our sixth topic. In this exercise we're looking at gross and net pay. Fairly straightforward really. Gross pay is the amount that you've earned and net pay is what appears in your bank account. Now, tax is usually withheld by your employer, is deducted from your gross pay and paid directly to the ATO on your behalf. Other things might come out of your pay before it appears in your bank account. Now, this is usually what you arrange with your employer. It could be additional superannuation contributions, but be careful when we're talking about superannuation that the super guarantee, which is currently I think 9.5%, is not deducted from your wages. It's paid in addition to your wages. Don't let it come out of your wages. But you might ask your employer to pay some of your earnings directly to a third party, right? It might go into another savings account perhaps. It might go to your health fund, it might pay your union fees or something like this, right? But your net pay is what appears in your bank account. It's not necessarily the same as what you've earned. So let's have a look here. Diane earns $1,029.60 per week. She has this deduction for tax. This amount is taken away to add to her superannuation. This amount per health fund and this for gym fees is taken out of her gross wage. So while Diane earns $1,029.60 per week, that's not what will appear in her bank account. Right, her net pay will be $102,960 minus $303.73 minus $42.17 minus $26.34 and minus $17.50. Right, all of those things disappear from Diane's gross pay. I'm going to say NP for net pay. Right, and I'm going to grab the calculator here, turn it on, and say we start with $1,029.60, and then we subtract 303.73. It's a good idea to write that stuff down. It won't take you very long, and it will cover you a little bit in the event that you perhaps punch the wrong number in your calculator. 42.17, which is not that uncommon. 26.34. But if you just write a figure down at the end and it's not exactly right, if there's no working, then you've got nothing to fall back on. Here we go. 639.86. Rightio. So Diane might calculate from her wages she's going to earn $1,029.60 for the week, but when she checks her bank balance on payday, it's only gone up by $639.86 because of these deductions. So that is what we call Diane's net pay. Now we want to look at Diane's income tax as a percentage of her gross pay. Right, so income tax is $303.73, her gross pay is $1,029.60. So we've got 303.73 over 102.960. We can say times 100% if you like. Don't do that on your calculator though. Don't press the percentage button. Here we go, calculator. So 303.73 divided by, you can use the fraction button, it doesn't make any difference, 1029.6 equals, right, multiply it by 100 to make it a percentage, and I get 29.5. It's pretty neat. Is 29.5%. Right, there's no dollar sign there. We're talking about a percentage, we're talking about a ratio. There we go, a rate, in fact. No, ratio. Okay, that's it for gross and net pay. It's not hugely complicated. Rightio, not complicated calculations, not a particularly complicated idea. Your gross pay is what you've earned, your net pay is what essentially is turns up in your bank account. Righto, thanks very much. You got any questions? Jot them down. I'll see you in class.